Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm your Xbox supports dev mode and sign into a Microsoft account. Once done, install the Developer Mode app from the Microsoft Store. This switches the console interface for development. Next, register as an Xbox developer in the Partner Center using the same account so licensing and activation link correctly. Doing these first steps prevents permission and activation errors later, so set them up now. Make sure account details match, and keep your console networked for. You now activate Dev Mode and configure the console. Open the Developer Mode app and follow the on-screen steps to get an activation code. Input that code in Partner Center to claim the device. Once activated, switch back and set a static IP and enable device discovery so your PC can find the Xbox. Make sure to note the console IP address. It's required for Visual Studio or command line deployment. These configuration steps ensure stable deployments and faster iterative testing. You finish by deploying and testing your app. From Visual Studio or Dev Home, select Remote Machine, enter the Xbox IP, and deploy your build. Run tests and monitor performance. Once running, use the device portal to view logs, manage processes, and capture traces. This lets you iterate quickly. If something goes wrong, try restarting the console and rerunning activation, confirm the Partner Center claim, and check PC firewall rules. These fixes solve most connection and deployment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.